Neat, dog. Neat shit, homie.
Brother, it's dope shit. Understand? Get Bryce up. The fucker needs to stop snoring in my ear.
Right?
Don't actually. Let him in sleep. I can already hear the fucking gun being pulled out of his pocket. Aw, do I have to leave him alone?
He's not.
Yeah.
I was muted.
Who the fuck is snoring?
Mel. Yo.
He fell asleep! He did!
See, that's an issue on my end.
Oh, shit.
Because I need him.
I got you. Let me call him. Holy shit, this fucker. He actually fell asleep.
I knew he was being unusually quiet.
I'd expect for him to fucking yellow.
You know?
How the fuck do you fall asleep at your desk?
I mean, I've done it.
Dude, it's real fucking easy. Especially when you have to sit through a fucking lecture about goddamn heat transfer. You know how fucking easy it is to fall asleep at that shit? Really fucking easy, dog.
Reach
I should make a fucking lullaby out of it.
This fucker.
Hold up, I can try and call him. Give me a second.
The Discord may work, but I can't call my messenger.
Hold up. Hold
His
up.
phone must be off.
You know, if only I remembered that this last general was about illusions, I would have been more perceptive on it.
Yeah, no, but instead Sola got knocked out, and then he took Sora.
Yeah, but if I knew if I knew it was like the illusions guy, then I would have pretty much assumed that, you know, they were being attacked and not just passed out because of the fumes.
Mm.
I can hear through them.
But did you see who it was?
Yeah, stalker.
You know what? Just be as loud as you fucking can be.
Everybody
Go
mute
for
themselves. Everybody mute me. Sorry, hold on.
Hold up.
Hold up. I need to.
Say when ready.
Hold up.
Yeah, fucktard!
Ow.
Hold up.
Not that didn't really work. But alright, you're good, sniper.
I muted him.
Go. Louder. I said louder. I would just throw him like what the fuck was it? I would just turn on rhythm, but I think he has it completely off.
Yeah, especially from the whole phone incident.
So
damn it,
how
Mel.
how far does Mel live from you? So you can't just throw a rock at him.
God damn it, Mel.
He even responds with his snores.
Fucking rip. I can hear the fucking Discord through Bell.
You know,
Big sleep, dog.
I've never heard Mel snore before.
It would be weird to say it's kind of cute.
You just said
Do
that.
you still have that soundboard, Toast?
Hey, I'm just gonna keep it real. I'm keeping 100 and keeping it true. That shit gotta sound kind of cute, but
Toast, you still have that soundboard?
Now that you
say
that. Nah, I actually wound up recently uninstalling my voice mod. I had to reinstall it back in just for this fuck shit. So now all my shit's gone.
Oof.
Toaster, now that you say that, you know, I'm actually imagining the actual character Mel snoring.
What a grotesque sight.
Yep.
Slightly louder snore. Yeah, well, this fucking retard.
What if he's actually trolling us? He's already awake.
I don't think eating cereal very loudly is getting to him.
He must
Hey.
really be tired.
Hey. Hey Nick, how long was Mel playing Terraria?
All day from 2 to
2.
7.
Oh. Whatever. Wait,
2
AM?
a.m.
Mm.
2 a.m.
He got-
Damn.
What? No. He got home from school at 2, and then we've been playing since 7.
But here's the question: what time the hell? What time did he wake up?
He did stay up really late last night. In fact, he slept for 15 hours day before yesterday, which is why he stayed up really late.
He sounds like me.
Basically became nocturnal.
Of course, it's when we have a fucking game. But he's like, oh yeah, I'm just going to sleep. Well, I guess that's the game for today, unless anybody can get him up.
Give me a second, I'm texting his mother.
Texting his mom.
And this entire
Yo,
time,
get
you
your
guys
boy
get to
up.
be
What the
watching
fuck?
that video too.
Alright, we understand. Christ.
What's with the video?
It's in the Discord chat.
Yeah, I know, but what is with it? Like, what is the importance of having us look at it right now?
It's very important.
The lore. Oh shit, I'm not texting her. Holy fucking hell.
What?
Welcome back.
Is back, no?
If he just straight up leaves right now, I'm just gonna start playing some fucking Beat Saber.
Okay.
Oh.
Does anyone have an air horn?
Fucking wish.
I mean, you could download the app on your phone.
Nice.
It's not the same.
If you turn your phone all the way up, maybe.
Yeah, that's a good air horn.
Who needs that when you have my notification?
Yeah, you're right.
Play your notification. Do it.
The fuck was that?
I don't know, but I'm going through a lot of shit just to get to his fucking parents. Jesus Christ.
Damn, dog.
Yeah,
I
I can
literally had
see.
to go through this man's fucking Facebook. She changed her Facebook to a different one. I had her old one. I started texting that.
Yeah, I can see it
Right,
now.
like that. I was like, oh shit.
I can see now. Ian, wake up! Dude.
Nice.
Well, I think this might be a ripperoni.
Damn it! I was so excited for this too.
No, we can
Damn.
get
The
him.
one fucking time we get to do it.
We can.
Mels out.
The best fucking part.
Yeah, the
But
part
that was fun
that
watching you blundering around trying to fucking figure out why there was smoke.
Mm-hmm.
Fucking Nick knew for the longest time. He just kept silent.
I didn't do anything. No, I didn't know what to do.
Toast,
Oh, my
did
You
you
entire
say,
could have
party's
said
probably gonna die.
something.
Toast, did you
I mean,
say
I
anything to
coulda.
him?
I was fucking unconscious. All right. I don't know.
No,
what
I'm
the fuck
talking.
you-
I was talking about like as the stalker, you could talk to him because only he could hear you.
Yeah, I was about to message him, but then the other guys went with their roles. And I was to be like, yeah, but then I had to message all of them, and then that's gonna be troublesome. Then I got to figure out my lines I was gonna say, and it was just a whole bunch of bullshit.
Eh.
Eh.
Yeah, you guys kept saying, I look around, but you're not supposed to look. Try to sense. You guys have magic and shit. What the fuck are you doing?
now, if you want to actually think about something else, the stalker is Luna's teacher in a way.
Yep.
Unless it's a second one, so that means that either Luna is dead or Luna is on their side. So take that into account.
Oh,
Just saying it. Yeah,
And
nah, I think this is fucked.
And if that's the case, who has been rotting inside the book that Melbound's been toting with him?
Oh,
The thing is the fucker's asleep, so who knows?
yeah, nah, he's out. Yeah,
Sounds like he's partying at this point.
There ain't nothing getting him up.
Dude, he says that I snore loudly, like this motherfucker.
Well,
wait.
I
Wait,
think
wait.
this is.
Wait, Ann, are you recording this?
Yes, it's been
Outstanding.
recording the entire time.
Fucking good.
Out. Outstanding.
This
All
is-
So
right.
when you watch this, you're a stupid motherfucker, aren't you?
Damn. Fucking bitch. Alright, in any case, well, I think he ain't getting up.
Well, we could continue, but there's a certain something that's big that he needs to do.
Yeah,
Because none
oh.
of you can do it.
Just
What?
let's hold it off.
What does he need to do?
I can't tell you.
Alright. Well then. I believe it may be time to dip then. I must continue to make fat loot.
Damn it.
So
Oh, well, that
can
gives
we...
me more time to work on my picture.
Oof.
Adriana,
I'm gonna cut out those
Yeah.
other pictures.
could we do the remainder tomorrow?
Hopefully.
My schedule's available for it. Yeah,
Everyone else's schedule's
do
open,
tomorrow.
so that's good.
Yeah. Alright. Well then. If he somehow wakes up, you know what to do.
Yeah, let us know if he wakes up.
Okay.
Alright, I guess I'll just stop recording.